What's up everyone and welcome back to another video and our channel. Do you ever feel like ChatGPT mixes up information from different projects? It can get messy if you're working on client work, content planning or research. Because in this video I'll explain project-only memory, show how it keeps chats focused and why it's a game changer for keeping your work organized. So project-only memory is a way to tell ChatGPT to focus only on one project at a time. Normally, ChatGPT can remember context from previous chats or saved memories, which is useful, but it can also cause confusion when switching between tasks. With project-only memory, each project stays separate. Information from other chats won't leak into your current work, and you can focus on workflow without worrying about past unrelated conversations. Think of it as having a dedicated workspace for each project inside ChatGPT. This feature is especially useful for client work to keep project-specific instructions and content separate from other clients. Content planning, research, and repeat tasks. For example, if you're creating blog posts for two different clients. Project-only memory ensures ChatGPT only uses information from the client you're working on, avoiding accidental mix-ups. Now, how project-only memory differs from regular memory. ChatGPT has three types of memory. Regular chat history only remembers the current session. Saved memory, which remembers information across sessions for all chats. And project-only memory restricts memory to a single project, keeping other work isolated. Project-only memory is perfect when you need clean, focused sessions without losing your other saved work. It's like a separate folder for each project. Now, let's see how to use the project-only memory on ChatGPT. Using it is straightforward. Just create a new project or workspace in ChatGPT. When you open ChatGPT, navigate to the Projects section. Click New Project, then give it a clear descriptive name. Now, in the project settings, look for Memory Options or Project Memory. Toggle on Project-only memory, then confirm that ChatGPT will store information only in this project. Now begin your chats within the project. Provide guidelines, instructions, or relevant material. Examples, you can add client style, lists of keywords, etc. Now, perform all project-related tasks inside this project. Workspace, ask questions, draft content, or summarize research. If you have multiple projects, switch between them using the project menu. Each project retains its own memory, nothing carries over. Also, periodically check the memory for outdated or irrelevant info. Delete or update entries to keep ChatGPT responses accurate. And if you want some general context to carry across projects, use saved memory for non-project specific info. Keep project-only memory for focused, isolated work. This balance helps you stay organized while it's still benefiting from broader AI memory. Now let me give you some practices for project-only memories. Always name projects clearly, separate clients, topics, or workflows into individual projects. Review all and clean project memory regularly. Then start small when testing project-only memory. Then expand for bigger tasks. Combine projects-only memory with saved memory for general context if needed. Now, project-only memory is a simple but powerful tool for keeping ChatGPT focused, organized, and accurate. Use it for client work, content planning, research, or repeat tasks to prevent mixing context between projects. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more ChatGPT tutorials and turn on notifications so you've never miss tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.